हिना खान ने कुछ ही दिनों पहले ये अनाउंस किया कि उन्हें ब्रेस्ट कैंसर है, जिसके बाद उन्होंने अपनी कीमोथेरेपी का इलाज शुरू करवाया, कैंसर का इलाज शुरू करवाया। और अब जिस तरह से वो अपने मुश्किल समय में हैं और लोग उनका साथ दे रहे हैं, उसका शुक्रिया अदा करती हुई नजर आए। हिना खान ने लिखा है, हाय एवरीवन, फर्स्टली आई एम सो लकी टू हैव received so much love from all of you, and honestly I have no idea what I did to deserve it. Your kindness truly makes my heart overflow with emotions. From the entertainment business to journalists, sports stars to teachers, corporate folks to doctors, homemakers, people from all walks of life have reached out to me with so much love and blessing. Most of you don't even know me personally, many didn't know who I was, and yet you reached out. My WhatsApp and Instagram DMs are flooded with messages. God, so much love. I am trying my best to reply back to each one of you whenever I get time, but it seems difficult and might take long. The support I have received from those who have been on this journey before me is beyond incredible and deeply touching. How can I ever repay this kindness, grace, support, love from all of you amazing fans and supporters? I'm incredibly grateful and humbled, and I want each one of you to know how much I appreciate you. You're the blessing I count with folded hands. I sincerely hope everyone receives such kindness and love in their tough times. I promise to pay it forward and be just as kind and helpful to others when they need it. Let's keep the cycle of hope going strong. And last but not least, to all my amazing, wonderful fans, seriously, I can't thank you enough. From all corners of the world, your love and support has been incredible. I am filled with so much gratitude for all the little things you are doing for me, like praying for my well being, holding on to hope, and sending such heartful messages and flowers every day. Some went to dargahs and have kept rosas for me. Some kept worth for my well being, have taken mannats, sent me zamzam, did havans and puja. You have been going to your places of worship, praying for me, and even sending me videos and pictures from these special moments. Some of these have even gone to the biggest temple and dargahs in the country for me. Those heart touching videos of who, where have you cried your heart out for my sake and for my suffering is beyond comprehension. I really can't put into words how much this means to me from the millions of fans all across the globe that I call my extended family. I have zillions praying for me. That is exceptional. That is life changing. You have my heart forever. Lots of love to all of you, हीना। हीना ने ये बातें करके सिर्फ अपने दिल का दुख बाहर नहीं रखा, अपना प्यार बाहर नहीं रखा, बल्कि जो उनके लिए रो रहे थे उन फैंस को कहीं ना कहीं और रुला दिया है। ये प्रेयर्स बढ़ती हुई नजर आ रही हैं टुवर्ड्स हीना कि वो जल्द से जल्द ठीक हो जाएं, रिकवर कर फिर से इंडस्ट्री में छाती हुई टॉप एक्ट्रेस के तौर पर नजर आए। क्या कहना चाहेंगे आप? कमेंट करके हमें ज़रूर लिखिएगा। Audio Jungle.